Raising money for much-needed programs across the country has been challenging in this pandemic. Many organizations forced to cancel their events, others finding creative ways to continue. Joining us this morning to talk about Swim Across the Sound, which kicks off this Saturday, is Dianne Auger, president of Hartford Healthcare St. Vincent's Medical Center Foundation in Bridgeport. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for asking. Really happy to be here on behalf of St. Vincent's.
So this is the 33rd year for the swim. Those who aren't familiar with it, what's it all about and who does it benefit?
So yeah, for 33 years we've been holding the Swim Across the Sound Marathon. And it benefits people in our community who are battling cancer and their families. The money's raised over these last 33 years by swimmers and boat captains and volunteers has gone to help people with their financial issues that they might have when they're undergoing treatment. Your financial health suffers along with your own health. We pay for mortgage payments, rent payments, car payments. We also assist people with integrative oncology therapies like acupuncture and yoga, things that are covered by insurance. And we also provide screenings for people that are underserved in the community to make sure that we can help educate and also, prevent cancer at the same time.
That's wonderful. And obviously this goes without saying that the COVID-19 pandemic certainly has changed a lot of things, and I'm sure it's impacted your fundraiser. I understand that this year it's going to be a virtual challenge, so tell us about that.
Yeah, this year it's virtual, and I want to credit the committee for really encouraging us to do this. And as a healthcare organization, St. Vincent's Hartford Healthcare, we need to be sure that we model good behavior. And so we decided to make this a virtual event this year. And so it runs the entire month of August. We're encouraging lots of people to come out and participate. What we're doing is we're actually asking people to walk, run, swim, bike the 15.5 miles that our swimmers typically would swim from Long Island to the home of the Swim Captain's Cove in Bridgeport. So you have a whole month. You can sign up at stvincents.org, commit to your walk, run, swim, whatever. Move 15.5 miles and help us raise funds for the community at the same time.
That's wonderful. And how can people participate?
People can go right on to stvincents.org website, and the sign up is there for the virtual swim. Our hope is that people think about people either in their own family or others they know who they've lost to cancer or who are battling cancer right now. Honor somebody by pledging your own dollars, pledging to walk, run, bike, whatever, 15.5 miles, and honor people in that way this year.
And you make a really good point. Let's quickly talk about those who maybe have delayed their cancer screening. Take a step away from the fundraiser right now, because it's important to remind people that that is still something very important to do amid the pandemic. So how safe is it to get that done now?
You know what? It is very important for people to be screened for cancer right now, and for all health conditions. Mm-hmm. Don't delay your care. I can give you a quick personal insight. I have a family member who was just diagnosed with breast cancer early, though. Early detection was really important for her. So it's very safe to come into your physician offices, into your hospitals, into places where we can help screen for cancer and catch it early. Early detection is very important. And if you don't have the funds to do that, or if you're not insured, the Swim Across the Sound through St. Vincent's Hartford Healthcare is there to help you to do that. So that should hopefully not be a deterrent either.
Dianne, that's wonderful. Your message is very clear this morning. Get involved in the fundraiser. Take care of yourself. Don't put your health on the back burner.